Hinihikayat ng opisina ni British Columbia Premier David Eby na magkaroon ng pananagutan ang mga organisasyon na lumikom ng pondo matapos ang Lapu-Lapu Day tragedy. Pero nababagalan ng ilan at nakukulangan sa aksyon ng gobyerno. Ang report mula kay Rhea Santos.
How long should we wait to have the answers? So that's why it's imperative that the government should step in. If we are not able to do it ourselves, the government should step in.
Dismayado ang Filipino community advocate na si Teodoro Alcuitas sa turuan na nangyayari hinggil sa kinahinatnan ng mga pondong donasyon matapos ang Lapu-Lapu Day tragedy.
Mental health, and all this, blah, blah, blah. I have I have painting workshop. I'm not degenerating these efforts to heal ourselves. But I look at it as there's so much overlapping. So why is not the priority the victim?
Sa pahayag ng opisina ni BC Premier David Eby sa Omni News, hinihikayat ng probinsya ang accountability o pananagutan para sa mga nagbigay ng donasyon at para sa mga umasang makakakuha ng suporta at maaaring di nila nakuha. Inaasahan daw nila na maging accountable at transparent ang anumang organisasyon hinggil sa kung paano nila ginamit ang mga pondong nalilikom.
The word encouraging is cop out. How long will you encourage us? It's a very condescending response, and it's not strong. You can't just say, "Oh, I will encourage them to be accountable." You cannot. It's already 1 year. How long will you encourage them? The province should step in and really, stamp their foot and say, this has to stop, and we have to pass a law. Maybe they cannot solve it this time with the current situation, but for the sake of future, events like this.
Ayon kay Alcuitas, sa pagbuhos ng mga donasyon matapos ang isang trahedya, dapat magkaroon ng mapagkakatiwalaang sistema kung paano ipamamahagi at gagastusin ang pera.
I referred to the Saskatchewan province, where they have the only province that has the legislation because of that Bronco team incident. We're not alone in this. There are precedents that we could look into, because the way it stands now, it's anybody's business.
Sa Memorial Mass bilang pag-alala sa nalalapit na unang taong anibersaryo ng Lapu-Lapu Day tragedy sa April 26, nagkaroon ng pagkakataon si Alejandro Samper na makausap ang BC Premier.
This scandal has been out for months since everyone found out how much United Way granted, and nothing has happened, so I'm really not expecting anything from him or anyone else.
It's for them to step in and say, okay, we will revise the law, or we will, we can, we'll sidetrack the law and compel these people to, if that's the way to have to do it, they have to do it.
Dagdag pa ni Alcuitas, may mga organisasyon na nagtatago sa likod ng privacy laws sa gitna ng mga tanong kung paano ginamit ang nakuhang pera. Dapat daw maging prioridad ngayon ang mga naging biktima.
Their grief is not solved by citing a law or something. This is not about legal concepts. This is about human grief and human needs.
Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.